balance, you'll first want to push the tare button. This sets the balance to 0. Next, you'll want to gently open the door and weigh your glassware. Switch doors. Gently place the door behind you and wait for the number to stabilize. The number we have is 67.798 grams.
That's your
Next, you'll
flask.
gently
Does
open the
that
door
belong to you guys? Flask.
and remove the glassware. You'll add your sample now outside of the balance. You don't want to add it while it's still in the balance because the liquid might mess up the electric. After you place your sample on the scale, gently close the door and wait for the number to stabilize. The number we have for the sample and glassware is 129.246 grams. Okay, that's kind of it. After you have gotten rid of the rest of your sample, there's still a little left in the glassware. If you'd like to know how much there is left, you simply weigh it again and wait for the number to stabilize. And the number we have is 68.806 grams. All you have to do to determine how much is left is take the amount you have with the sample in it and subtract it from the weight of the actual glassware. You should get something around 1.1 grams. And tare now. During your experiment, it's also important for you to know that everyone in your group should use the same balance. Because one of your group members could be using a balance but the top is open or missing, and that could affect their measurements, thus making your group's measurements off in accuracy. And then, if they're using an open balance, it's very susceptible to air currents and particles, dust particles flying onto it. What else? Whereas closed balances create a more friendly experimental environment and eliminates most of the factors such as air current and dust particles. Okay, that's it. In addition to the factors I already told you about, there are some more that can affect the balance. For instance, if you lay on the table, you can see how the balance changes. It's supposed to be tiered right now, but it keeps shifting. Also, if you move the balance in any way, it can tamper with the measurement on the screen.